What is GitHub Copilot Workspace? So, GitHub Copilot Workspace is this collaborative development environment designed to integrate with GitHub Copilot, an AI powered code completion tool that is developed by GitHub in the collaboration with OpenAI, which is basically ChatGPT. So, the workspace basically aims to enhance the development processes of codings by providing features that streamline coding, collaboration, and project management. So basically, what you're going to do is instead of writing out the entire code, you're just going to simply write in the basic prompt to the AI, and then you're going to let the AI tool, which is GitHub Copilot, complete the entire code on its own. So, getting started has never been easier. You're going to simply head over to githubnext.com, and then you can just simply click on join the waitlist. Once you click on join the waitlist, you're going to have a free, easy access to GitHub where you're going to sign up and enter in your credentials. And basically, they're going to, put you into the waitlist to join in. So here, as you can see, you can also mention the issue, specify the plan. You're going to have an AI assisted coding. So you're going to leverage AI to provide code suggestions, real-time completions, and also offer many different developer options and types. You can also either write entire block of codes or just work on your own and just type in, let's just say you've written about 2-3 blocks of code on your own, right? But on the other hand, you're stuck at something and cannot exactly complete the code, so you're going to let AI do that job. So you can just simply type in and propose a plan of action that you want to add or implement these sort of changes, and you can just let AI do its magic. And then it also has amazing collaborative tools where you can collaborate among your team members by adding real-time editing where multiple developers can work on the same specific code base at the same time simultaneously, just like how it's going to be seen on Google Docs, but you're going to see that in terms of code, the implementation area and, the pulling result and so on and so forth. Now you can also develop it anywhere, anytime. The integration option is so easy and you can have vision control over all of these management features. You also have an enhanced code review where AI can basically assist you in the code review process by automatically identifying potential pitfalls, issues, and even give you suggestions for improvements and ensure that the code really adheres and stick towards the standards of the plan that you've given them. They also have customization as well as extension where developers can customize their workspace environment with extensions as well as plugins, making it really easy to tailor to the workspace and fit specific workflow and your preferences. So by integrating all these features, GitHub Copilot Workspace really aims to create an efficient and collaborative environment for coders and developers. The ultimate goal is to reduce the time spent on typing and manually writing, having those repetitive coding tasks and letting AI basically do its work.